This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make canvas stand. First, assess your canvas size and weight. A small canvas might need minimal support, while a large one requires a robust solution. We will explore various techniques, from professional easels to simple DIY methods, ensuring your artwork remains upright and secure. This guide will help you choose the best approach for any project, providing stability and peace of mind. Easels offer a professional and stable way to support your canvas. For smaller pieces, a lightweight tripod easel works well, often costing around $20 to $50. Larger canvases, perhaps up to 60 inches tall, benefit from a sturdy H-frame easel, which provides superior stability. Always ensure all legs are fully extended and locked, and the canvas tray is securely fastened at your desired working height. If an easel isn't an option, many DIY solutions can provide excellent support. You can create a simple stand from 2 pieces of wood, forming an A-frame, costing less than $10. Alternatively, stack several heavy books or use a sturdy cardboard box, ensuring it's wide enough to support the canvas's base. Always use non-slip mats or clamps to keep your canvas firmly in place. Once your masterpiece is complete, displaying it beautifully is key. For wall mounting, use 2 D-rings on the back of the canvas, spaced about 1/3 of the canvas width apart, and hang them on picture hooks. For a more dynamic display, picture ledges allow you to easily rearrange your art. Position your canvas where it receives ample, even light, enhancing its visual impact for all to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.